This is the Hello World Podcast. Anything else, Simon, that somebody who may have a chance to work with you in the future needs to know? This is Simon Calasanz leadership style or leadership brand.
The first aspect of communication, which is listening. Second most important part is also being able to tell your people the story of where you want to take the company. It's really having a vision for the company and writing down that strategy, putting it down, and communicating it to the team so that every last person in the organization knows about it. So you talked about it earlier. The team, they don't just know about the team norms, they also know about the key strategies of Bankcard. So you ask the data encoders, they will know it. You ask the people in the fraud team, they will know it. You talk to the people in collections, they will know the key strategies. I think that was important because they need to know how they fit in those strategies. And by knowing that, it again gives them ownership over the journey through which we wanted to take Bankcard. So again, communication, it goes both ways. Listening and at the same time, telling your story. Lastly, so we talked about trust and empowerment and the importance of being able to trust your leaders. But lastly, it's also having a very entrepreneurial approach in terms of management and knowing that you need to learn how to balance risk versus reward. If you don't take any risk, edi ano mangyayari? Wala. Nothing. But at the same time, if you take too big of a risk, then you might lose your shirt the next day. You have to be very careful. So you need to learn how to balance and you need how to be entrepreneurial in your approach. And what helps me in this, it's really using data and analytics in those decisions. Because making decisions just because you feel like making those decisions, you can guarantee that you're not going to get anywhere. Unless you're like a magician who can predict the future, right? But if you base your decisions on data with good insight from your people, then that would definitely be the right approach that you should take when making make informed decisions.
This is Louis Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.